Alright guys, we are going to do our first 2D AutoCAD drawing. The first one is going to be the side piece of the toolbox, which is just a rectangle that's 18 inches long by 5.5 inches wide. So what I'm going to do is click Start Drawing, and then once I load in here, this is my normal drawing graph screen, I come up here to Line, and I'm going to want to really click anywhere on here. Click one time. You notice that I can drag my mouse out at different angles, but it will snap to the 0 degree line, or it will snap to 90, 180, okay, just the basics. So I want to make sure that it's on 0 degree. I'm not clicking again. You guys can see that the numbers and stuff are moving. I want to go through, I want to type 18 inches and hit enter. That's going to draw my first line. Now I don't even have to click off of here. If I need to for any reason, I can just click escape on my keyboard, and then I can come back up to line afterwards and snap to that endpoint again. So now making sure that I'm at 90 degrees, I would type in my 5.5, come back this way, do my 18 inches again, and then I can come back down, wait until you see that green line and the green X, and then end my drawing. So hit escape, and that is my entire side piece of the toolbox. But one thing that's really missing here that is very useful if we were to print this out is dimensions. Dimensions are our measurement lines. They give us all the details and information that we need in order to actually build this item. So if you guys come up here to the very top, you have a dimension box. Click on that. It's very easy. All you literally have to do is click this line, drag out, and there it is, 18 inches. Click this line, drag over here, 5.5 inches. So now, if you printed this out, you would know I'm building this rectangle. This is going to be a single board that I'm going to cut to a total length of 18 inches and rip to a total width of 5.5. The only thing this doesn't show you right now is the thickness, which we will actually draw in a separate view. So we could either do a top-down view or a side view. This is a front view. Top or side, either one is acceptable, but both of them are very easy. So if I was looking at this board from the side here, all I would see is the 5.5. These were a 1/2 inch thick, and then the same width and the same thickness afterwards. So that's all I would see from the side. The top view would be very similar, where it's 18 inches, type in 1/8, enter, 1/2, so 1/2, enter, come back 18 inches, and then end it. Alright, and the last thing you guys have to do is put a dimension on the thickness. We don't have to redimension the length or the width because they're already dimensioned in this drawing down here. Also notice how I drew the top view on top of the drawing and drew the side view on the side. So if I come back up to dimension, it does not matter which one. I may have to zoom in a little bit, but I can undo that, and I can come over here and just take this line from here to here, and there's my dimension. Alright, I want you guys to try this as well, and make sure afterwards that you do a file save as, and we are going to call this Toolbox Side Piece.